In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a brochure using Lucidpress, now called Mark. This is a quick and beginner-friendly way to design a professional brochure without any design experience. Start by opening your web browser and going to Lucidpress, now known as Mark. If you don't have an account yet, sign up using the on-screen steps. If you're already registered, just log in and head to the dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Create New to start a fresh project. From here, open the template library and browse through the brochure templates. You'll find plenty of layouts for business, marketing, events, and more. Pick a template that matches your goal, then open it to begin editing. Now it's time to customize. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder text with your own content. You can adjust font size, style, and alignment directly from the editor. If your brochure has multiple columns or sections, use the text flow option so content moves smoothly across boxes. To update images, simply double-click an existing image to replace it, or upload your own from the content panel. You can also search for stock images directly inside the editor. Resize and reposition visuals so everything looks clean and balanced. Next, personalize the design by changing colors. Update backgrounds, shapes, and text colors to match your brand or theme. This small step makes a big difference in how professional your brochure looks. When you're happy with the design, click Share if you want to collaborate with others. If it's ready to go, download the brochure as a PDF or publish it online directly from the file options. And that's it. You've just created a polished brochure using Lucidpress, now Mark. Thanks for watching and happy designing.